guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello guys.
So guys, today me and my dad, we are going to try and make a chicken, deep fried chicken, just like you get in KFC. So we are trying to make that. So if you want to know how we make it, then please continue watching. So first things first guys, all you need is to take some ginger, some garlic and start grating it. So since we started grating it on the grater, but it was like slipping out of our hands, so we switched and we moved to just pasting it up, just like Indian traditional methods. So we started doing that, and then once the paste was ready, we started putting up all the spices in it. So as you can see the list beside here, so I've put down all the ingredients that you need to put in while you're making the marinade. So remove all the ginger and garlic paste into a plate and then start putting up all the spices. Sorry if you feel that my voice is like a little harsh because I'm just down with cold. So then put some coriander powder. Then you need to put like some turmeric powder. Then some masala, some spicy masala, and then in the end you have to put some tandoori chicken masala. Make sure that you always put the spices according to the amount of chicken or amount of meat you have. And then after putting out the chicken tandoori masala, you have to put salt. So salt again according to like the taste, how it's actually tasting. Put salt only if needed. If your spices they already have salt in it, then you don't need to put more salt and make it like salty. And then just mix the whole thing. Put like little water, little oil to make it like greasy so that it sticks upon the chicken. So chicken marinade tasting time, it was spicy AF, as you can see. And now we are taking this chicken drumsticks and we are going to make slightly, like we're going to do 2 cuts on it. As you can see, my dad's doing that. So just 2 cuts. And then once you do the cuts, you just have to put the marinade on it. Make sure that you're covering your drumstick in the marination, like just marinating it very nicely so that it tastes so good later on when you like deep fry it. Like it's the perfect combination of spicy and crunchy and everything. It is so mouth watering, you guys, like trust me. So make sure that you're covering the whole chicken with that. Once you're done marinating the whole chicken, you just have to put a aluminium foil wrap over it and just keep it for 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
So once 15 minutes done, all you have to do is, so since we actually use this mustard oil,
स्पेशली तसं ऑर्गॅनिक तेल आम्ही वापरतो. हे मस्टर्ड ऑइल आहे आणि नॉनव्हेजसाठी आम्ही स्पेशली मस्टर्ड ऑइलच वापरतो. त्याची प्रोसेस आहे, यूज करण्याच्या आधी थोडा वेळ तुम्ही गरम करून ठेवा आणि परत मग ते फ्रायला परत यूज करा.
so as you guys heard the process, we are doing that. So we are letting this oil get heated up a little, and then we are again going to fry it in that. So since the oil is like heated, we are going to start frying the chicken. And then what we are going to do is that we are first going to take 2 eggs and some corn flour, and then we are going to dip out the chicken in the eggs and then on the corn flour and then fry it. So that's the procedure, like that's the step which we do, but you can skip the eggs and directly put corn flour in it if you need, like, you know, it to be like extra crunchier. But we always do that, we always dip it into the egg and then put it on the corn flour and then fry it. So as you can see, it already looks so good and like crunchy. Can't wait to try it out. So as you can see how it looks when you fry it, it doesn't looks like the chicken you get in KFC, and my chef dad is so into that chicken. Like for the very first time he is treating us with this. So guys, almost ready, like and then yeah, we're just having salad, we're just having cucumber with it. And now it's dinner time. We are having dinner, like that's what we had for dinner, which was cucumber and chicken leg piece. And yeah, we're having appy along with that because we love appy. Well guys, this is the apple juice, you all know. And then yeah, cheers. It was so yummy, you guys. It was so yummy, so tasty. And then I made a reel with it, so you guys can go and check out my Instagram. I've put this reel. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should do it right away because I put something like this on my Instagram, so check it out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias, links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.